Number 1. The word illustrious in paragraph 2 means A. Lonely, B. Native, C. Famous, D. Inexperienced. Number 2. Which phrase from paragraph 1 best demonstrates Alyssa's attitude about spending time at her grandparents' farm? F. Over the phone yesterday. G. Week of my summer exile. H. As an exotic location. J. Not everyone gets the opportunity. Number 3. Read this sentence from paragraph 3. His call clamors through the countryside, crying out to all creatures that morning has come. The descriptive language in this sentence, A, gives Alyssa's post a dramatic effect. B, shows how Alyssa's attitude has changed throughout the story. C, mimics the sound of the rooster's call. D, emphasizing that hearing the rooster is an important event in the plot. Number 4. The primary theme of the story centers on the importance of F, telling the truth, G, valuing friendship, H, recognizing the beauty of nature, J, appreciating certain circumstances. 5. Read paragraph 23 from the story. Then I heard a whining sound from a corner of the barn and almost vaulted to the ceiling. The author includes the figurative language in this sentence to show that Alyssa, A, feels excited about her discovery, B, is startled by the unexpected noise, C, has a sudden inspiration for an online post, D, thinks she should not be in the barn. 6. How does the story setting influence its plot? F, being far from her friends makes Alyssa feel isolated. G, Alyssa's separation from her mother helps her value her family more. H, the observations Alyssa makes at the farm give her something to write about. J, Alyssa's presence on the farm creates conflict with her grandmother. 7. At the end of the story, Alyssa most likely feels A, sad because she knows she will have to leave the farm soon. B, satisfied that her friends like her post. C, hopeful that she will enjoy the rest of her summer. D, content because she realizes she likes being on the farm. 8. Which lines from the poem best suggest that the speaker's situation is temporary? F, doubtful, I have a fever. G, tomorrow, I'll come around. H, today, it hit like a thwop of mashed potatoes. J, I could attract mosquitoes, maybe not friends. 9. What is the most likely reason that the poet uses capitalization in line 6? A, to highlight a problem the speaker experiences. B, to stress the speaker's expectations for tomorrow. C, to indicate that the speaker's condition happens unexpectedly. D, to show the speaker's excitement about an upcoming event. 10. Read the following lines from the poem. And if you try to push my mood swing, I'll only drag my feet. The poet includes these lines most likely to suggest that the speaker F does not wish to be pushed on a swing. G, wants to deal with the situation alone. H, does not often receive help from others. J, is not physically strong. 11. The imagery in lines 16 through 19 helps the reader understand A, the shift in the speaker's attitude. B, the speaker's unpleasantness. C, why the speaker has no friends. D, what the speaker thinks of others. 12. The poet reveals the speaker's feelings mainly by F, using similes and metaphors to describe them. G, explaining their effect on others. H, connecting them to memories. J, repeating specific words for emphasis. The rest of the test is revising and editing, so those questions and answer choices may not be read to you. Good luck.